Hi everybody, Emery from PDMG here. We have another quick read topic for you guys today. We're going to be talking about matching errors. What is a matching error and what causes it, otherwise known as code 8524. Okay, so let's get started. So like I just said, error 8524 is also known as a matching error, and this error occurs when your product ID, so your UPC or your EAN, etc., is currently associated with two or more ASINs that would already be in the catalog. But the attributes that you have provided in your inventory template, like your title, your brand, your color, your size, what have you, do not match with any of these ASINs that were already in the system. More often than not, this occurs because a G10 has been recycled or purchased from a third-party website, so like your UPC. You might see this error when trying to change part of your listing or when you're adding a new product. When you attempt to either make the change or add the product, Amazon deems your input as conflicting to the current value of what's on those other ASINs, and therefore possibly confusing to the buyer. Okay, so why does Amazon ask that I match to the current listing? What does a matching error really mean? So Amazon asks this to prevent confusion and offer the best buying experience. The product was originally listed as product A, however it was set up, and now you're listing product B. So if a buyer were to go back to the original detail page thinking that they were buying product A, but product B was on the page, this might be confusing and lead to a negative experience. Plus, this can cause issues within your selling account as the history of that ASIN or of that product will reflect conflicting data. Okay, so here's how the error is going to display. It'll look like this in italics and it'll be in red. Okay, let's go on down here. Okay, so what are my options when this error occurs? What should I do? Okay, so let's talk about what you should do if you're adding a new product and you see this error. You've got two options. One is go purchase an additional G10 from GS1 to list your product and redo the listing creation with the new UPC. Don't use the old one. Two would be to match to the information currently in the system. That means you put whatever is on the old ASIN on this new product that you're setting up. So you match the exact same information. So if it says red, you put red. Or if the title says, workout shoe, you put workout shoe. Once you have matched to the information in the system and you've hit save, the catalog team will assist you with moving your contributions over to a new ASIN, and you'll have to create a case to start this process. Once the team has created a new ASIN for you, you can edit this listing and have the information read however you like, as the team will have copied over what you matched. So you want to go in and change it to what you had originally tried to enter, but you weren't able to enter. Okay, so if you are trying to simply just change a word on an existing listing and you're not adding a new product and you get this error, here's what you should do. You should provide one of the below proofs showing that what's in the system currently is incorrect, and the catalog team will assist with manually updating the backend info. So the three proofs are: one, a link to the manufacturer website of the product; two are images of the product or the UPC on the product; three would be a screenshot from the user manual. So you're just trying to prove that this is your product and what's in there currently is incorrect, and that's why you need to update it. Okay, so an important note here, this above solution that we just talked about, providing one of the three proofs, that is only suitable if you are simply updating an existing listing. So let's just say you want to add a more descriptive keyword to your title. You want to change, workout shoe to exercise shoe. Or you want to say workout and exercise shoe, something simple like that. But the product itself remains the exact same. So if the product itself is changing, there's a new ingredient or what have you, you need to create a new listing to add a new product. Okay, so I think that about covers it on matching errors. I'll include some links down below for you guys and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.